In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a smooth zoom effect in CapCut PC. First, go to the timeline and move the playhead to where you want the zoom in to start. Then, go to the scale control in the top right and set a keyframe to mark the point where the zoom in starts. If you're zooming into the center of the clip, just leave it like that. But if you want to zoom in to different positions than the center, set a keyframe to position as well. Or you can set keyframes for all the transform controls by clicking here. Then move the playhead to where you want the zoom in to end and set keyframes. Now change the scale of the clip to your desired value. You can also type the value if you want. Or you can hover over the edge of the clip and drag it to move in. You can see the zoom in has been applied. You can move the keyframes apart to make the zoom in slower or closer to make it faster. Now, to make the zoom in smoother, you can right-click on the keyframe and choose one of the options, the ease in option being preferable for smooth zoom-ins, or you can click Show All Presets and choose one of the presets from there. If you want to change the position to which your video zooms in, make sure the playhead is on the last keyframe and move to the position control and change it to where you want it to zoom in using the X and Y controls. You can hold Shift while changing the value to change it by a value of 10. Also, you can change the position by clicking and dragging the clip to the position you want. Again, hold Shift while dragging to move it in a straight line. You can reset everything by clicking the Reset button. You can also reset each item individually by double-clicking its name. Click Ctrl-Z to undo it, then play and preview the zoom in. And that's it. Please leave a like if you found the video helpful. Thanks for watching.